In today's video, I'm going to teach you about selling digital products online. It's a method that's both flexible and scalable, allowing you to build a business or even a side hustle without the hassle of managing physical inventory, dealing with shipping, or worrying about storage. With digital products like ebooks, stock photos, software, templates, online courses, or services, everything exists solely in digital form, ready to be delivered electronically. This not only makes them accessible to a global audience, but also paves the way for passive income opportunities. Many digital products need only be created once, yet they have the potential to generate revenue repeatedly. You'll benefit from scalability, non-existent fulfillment costs, the freedom to work from anywhere, and the option to customize products for individual customers. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Selling digital products does present its own set of challenges. You'll find the marketplace is crowded, and competing against free alternatives can sometimes affect how your product is valued. Piracy and unauthorized copying are concerns as well, though you can mitigate these through measures like encryption, copyrights, or trademarks. When choosing what to sell, consider aligning with your skills, experience, and interests. Conducting thorough market research is essential to understand demand, pricing, and potential customer needs. It's wise to start small with trial runs, which can help you test the market and refine your product offerings before you fully launch. Popular categories for digital products encompass graphics and digital art, software and games, web-based applications or SaaS, ebooks, stock photography, online courses, and even professional services. There are platforms like MailChimp, Etsy, Shopify, MemberPress, Gumroad, and specialty sites such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Podia. These platforms simplify selling products either directly or through various marketplaces. Opting to sell on your own website can provide you greater control over aspects like branding, pricing, and customer relationships, which can be crucial for long-term success. Effective marketing of digital products demands clear positioning, search engine optimization, strategic social media promotion, referrals, and even offering some free samples to entice potential customers. The trend towards digital products is continuously growing, fueled by the expansive reach of the internet, the rise of subscription services, and emerging opportunities including screenless software and immersive digital experiences. By leveraging these tools and strategies, entrepreneurs, creators, and service providers can craft and sustain thriving online businesses centered around digital products. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand an existing venture, understanding and tapping into the world of digital products could be your path to becoming part of this exciting and evolving market.